of class 9B from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ongole, Hyderabad region. Today I am here to tell about one of our unsung heroes of freedom struggle, and her name is Aruna Asaf Ali. Aruna Asaf Ali, brave heart of the Quit India movement. Indian woman in history. She born on 16 July 1909 in Haryana. She died on 29 July 1996. She was a freedom fighter. Aruna Asaf Ali, the main woman who openly challenged the foreign government named as road in New Delhi, named Aruna Asaf Ali Marg. Brave hearts of Indian freedom movement. She was known as Grand Old Lady of Independence, heroine of the Quit India movement. Her contributions in India in freedom movement. 1942, hoisted the INC flag at Gowalia Tank Maidan in Mumbai during Quit India movement. 1954, founder of National Federation of Indian Women, the women wings of CPI. Edited the Congress Party's monthly magazine Inqilab, started weekly journal, weekly and newspapers patriotic for upliftment of women's status. 1958, served as the first elected mayor of Delhi. On 8th August 1942, the All India Congress Committee passed the Quit India resolution in Bombay session. The government arrested all the major leaders to stop the movement. A young Aruna proudly unfurled the Indian tricolour flag in heavily cordoned off guarded at Gowalia Tank Maidan and shouted British Quit India slogans. Aruna was dubbed the heroine of 1942 movement. Her efforts resulted in an improvement of conditions in the Tihar jail, but she was moved to solitary confinement in Ambala. Now I want to tell you regarding journey of great old lady Aruna Asaf Ali during freedom struggle. She remained in prison even after the Gandhi-Irvine Pact of 1931, when all political prisoners were released. In solidarity with other women prisoners, Aruna refused to leave the premises unless the others were also released. Following Mahatma Gandhi's intervention and a public outcry, Aruna Asaf Ali walked free. Then came one of the most important periods of her life. On 8th August 1942, the All Indian Congress Committee passed the Quit India resolution at its Bombay session. Soon after, the government arrested all the major leaders besides all members of the Congress Working Committee. After India became independent in 1947, Aruna devoted her time to working for other social causes as women empowerment and workers' movement. Aruna Asaf Ali steadily grew disillusioned with the Congress Party's approach towards socialism, which she held so dear. Her time with the party ended when she joined the Communist Party of India in early 1950s. She played a crucial role in the formation of National Federation of Indian Women, the women's wing of CPI, in 1956. Following Khrushchev, Stalin's part, she quit the CPI. In 1958, she was elected the mayor of Delhi. She masterminded the establishment of reputed publications like Patriot and Link. In 1964, she rejoined the Congress but quit active politics. Aruna Asaf Ali died in New Delhi on 29 July 1996, aged 87. The following year, she was bestowed the Bharat Ratna posthumously. In 1998, the government issued a commemorative stamp honoring her. A road in South Delhi, Aruna Asaf Ali Marg, was named in her memory. Most importantly, she earned the name Heroine of 1942 Movement and Grand Old Lady of Independence Movement. Modern India history would be bleak and meaningless without mentioning Aruna Asaf Ali's invaluable contributions to the country's struggles for independence. Jai Hind.